You made a point of talking about saving time. What other digital solutions help mechanics save time?
Diagnostic and repair is a big one. Back in the old days, we used to have these big chunky books and we used to finger through them and thumb through them and try to find the fix. Sometimes it was there, sometimes. Nowadays, it's all digital, it's all online, and a lot of that's actually easy to get to and much faster. We've got one that's built right into Navigator Pro called Autopedia. But it's one thing to remember is there's so many solutions on the market. My advice would be to choose wisely. Pick a partner, pick someone you want to do business with who's trusted and who's been in this space for a while. Look to your peers and network and ask what they're using, because you can spend money and not quite get what you're after.
And I would presume that the training aspect to that for those working for you as a mechanic is absolutely key, making sure that the people who are working for you understand how to use the software properly.
Yeah, look, absolutely. I would encourage anybody who's paying for a digital solution to share that they're paying for it with their team internally, because then everybody can take advantage of it. And when it's being taken advantage of, it's saving more and more time, and therefore it's adding more and more value.
I just want to pick up on that a bit more. Explore and expand. They're two key words when it comes to digital solutions.
Being in a mechanical workshop these days without power tools can be so much more labour intensive. You can imagine you could spanner as hard as you like. You get there eventually, but you're going to sweat for it, yeah? Digital solutions make your life easier and make your workshops more productive. And it's not just the ones that Repco brings to market. There are loads out there, but being able to talk to your network, being able to talk to your peers and listen and hear what other people have got that's working, but also that may have not hit the mark, is really, really important, because it'll help you and save you from learning that lesson the hard way. But having a digital solution in your workshop is going to make you more attractive, not only to your customers, but for potential talent to come and work for you too. Everybody wants to work with the latest tools. It's good to have what you need.
You've explained that really well. As an extension to that, I think what can happen, and correct me if I'm wrong here, but because there are so many tools out there, because there's a large expanse out there, it can be quite confusing and, even more importantly, overwhelming.